Welcome to Munich International Airport, also known as Flughafen München, one of Europe's busiest and most modern air travel hubs. In this video, we'll be taking a walking tour through Terminal 2, exploring its spacious halls, shops, and amenities. Opened in 1992 to replace the old Munich Airport, this airport has grown into a major gateway connecting Europe with destinations all around the world. Terminal 2, which opened in 2003 and is primarily used by Lufthansa and its Star Alliance partners, is known for its efficient layout, modern design, and wide variety of dining and shopping options. Whether you're starting your journey here, connecting on an international flight, or arriving at your final destination, Munich Airport is designed to make travel smooth and enjoyable. Travelers can expect clear signage, comfortable lounges, and plenty of conveniences, from duty-free shopping to Bavarian-style restaurants. For those transferring, the terminal is designed with easy connections in mind, often allowing you to move between gates quickly without having to exit and re-enter security. Getting here is also straightforward. The airport is located about 28 kilometers northeast of Munich city center, and you can reach it by the S-Bahn commuter train lines S1 and S8, which run directly from downtown Munich to the airport in about 40 minutes. There are also regional trains, long-distance buses, and taxis available, making it easy to start or end your trip here. Join me as we walk through Terminal 2 and see what Munich International Airport has to offer.
I'm making sure the back.
Ok, est-ce que vous laissez la dernière fonction? Wie geht's?
Oscar.
Lufthansa Airlines LK2448 nach Kopenhagen. Wir bitten nun alle Gäste, sich umgehend zu Gate G17 zu begeben. Wir müssen Ihren Flug in Kürze schließen. Vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.
No, no, don't touch there.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On your Croatia Airlines Star Alliance flight U4439 to Split, there is only limited space for carry-on baggage. Please place large pieces on the trolley next to the aircraft. We will provide you with a fire label. If it is alternatively directly incoming to the aircraft in Split, please remove any personal electronic.
Thanks so much for joining me on this walking tour of Munich International Airport's Terminal 2. I really appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tours. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.